Hello everyone. So last class we discussed about the polynomials based on introduction. So in that especially about types of polynomials like coefficients, degree and variable as well as types. So types what we have based on the terms and degrees. So based on the terms means a single term which is called as a monomial and two terms that is called as a binomial. When it has three terms that is called as a trinomial. When it has more than three terms like four terms or five or six or seven, then it is called as a multinomial and based on the degrees. So when there is a degree as 1, so it is called as a linear polynomial, and the degree as 2, it is called as a quadratic polynomial, and the degree is 3, cubic polynomial. So degree is 4, we call that as a biquadratic polynomial, right? So based on the terms and the degrees we completed. So on this topic we have exercise 3.1 in our class. So let us complete of this exercise 1. Right. So in this, the first bit we have about the coefficient and the degree. So what is the coefficient, what is the degree, and how many terms are there? Let us see. Right. With an example, let us describe about it. Okay. Right. For example, 2x power 3 plus 5x minus 7. Right. So here the degree. So what is the degree? So already we discussed about it. An expression degree should be the highest degree is considered as degree of a polynomial. Here we can see the highest degree. Here highest degree is 3 and the 1 here nothing but 0. So what is the highest degree is here? 3. So that what is the degree we can say of this expression? 3. So it is generally we can call that as a cubic polynomial. And let me ask one more question to you. What is the coefficient? What is the coefficient of x? I am asking you here coefficient of x, not x power 3 or not x power 0. So coefficient of x. So where is the x of this term? In this expression we can observe that the x is here. So what is the coefficient of it? So coefficient, co-multiple. What is here? 5. So what do we write here as 5? So I hope you have understand what is the degree and what is a coefficient, right? And one more, the second way, based on the polynomial or not. How already we discussed about the three things. What are those three things are? A polynomial should not have a negative integer, and a polynomial should not have a under root of x, and the variable should not present in the denominator place. So these three conditions are very important to be expressed whether it is a polynomial or not. Right. So let us see one example whether it is polynomial in the exam. He will ask you that check 1 by 3x power 2 plus 5x minus 7 is a quadratic polynomial. So actually it is a quadratic polynomial, but the polynomial is present in the denominator. So what we discussed yesterday, the three conditions, when a variable is present in the denominator, it is not called as a polynomial, but it is an algebraic expression, but not a polynomial, so that it will confuse you. So you have to understand what is the position of the variable and the terms. Okay, once you have understand that the present it is 3x square plus 5x minus 7, it is a quadratic, but it is present in the denominator, so that it is not a polynomial. Right? Okay, so the next one more topic about the value of a polynomial. Value and the 0. So how we can say the value and how we can say that is a 0 of the polynomial? By taking a few examples, let me understand about this topic. Right. So one example we can take it as p of x, the polynomial in x variable. P of x is generally what we call, p means what? Polynomial, x means what? The polynomial we are going to express in the variable of x. Okay, right. So p of x is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. So 2x square minus 5x plus 3, and it will ask you that find the value of P of 1 and P of 2. Okay, so P of 1, P of 2 are, so in the place of x, we have to substitute the value 1 and then we have to check what may be the value of this polynomial. So are you ready? I hope, right? So let us substitute in the place of x as 1. So let us see now P in the x place. Just now we discussed in the place of x we have to write 1. Okay, so in the place of x I am going to write as 1. So only in the place of x, no other way. Okay, 2 and minus 5 plus 3. I left the space here. I hope you understand. I did not write the x. Why I not written the x? Because I am going to substitute in the x place as 1. Means I am finding the value of the polynomial by the 1. So when I substitute 1, what may be the polynomial value? Let us see, right? So in the place of x1, 1 we have written. Now I hope you understand 2, 1 power 2 means nothing but what? 1 we are multiplying 2 times. So 1 into 1, 1 ones it is 1, right? So 1 ones nothing but we can able to expand, no problem. One step can be increased, but the value should be get correct. Okay, right here 5 1, so plus 3. Now we can see here 2, 1 ones are 1. Minus into plus, it is as a minus. So 5 ones are, it is 5 plus 3. So now 2 ones are 2 minus 5 plus 3. I hope you understand here very important negative and positive. Okay, do not confuse about the negative and positive. Let us see about the what are the positive value 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So the positive value is 5 and minus 5. So we got 5 minus 5 is exactly 0, right? So now what is this value? P of x is a polynomial and we substituted in the x place as 1. Now what is the value we got? As 0. So P of x value when we written as P of 1, it becomes as 0. Now what do we say? P of 1 value is 0, right? So this is about the value. So we completed the value. And here only we can say that 1 is also called as a 0 of a polynomial. How we can say 0 of a polynomial? Yes, whatever the value may be get, either 2 or 5 or 6, the final result may be get, but the value is a 0. Means when we written the 1, this 1 is making this of the value complete the polynomial as 0. Means the polynomial is becoming as 0 with the help of 1. Means 1 is making the polynomial as 0, so that 1 is called as a 0 of the polynomial. Right, now what do we say? P of 1 is a 0 of a polynomial. So you have to understand here what is a value, what is a 0. Whatever may be the value, when we written in the polynomial, we will get something, it is a rational number, that is second. But the polynomial completely becomes as 0. Then we can call that as 0 of the polynomial. So what we discussed today's our class is about the value and 0 of the polynomial, and which is polynomial, which is not polynomial, and based on that, and one more about the degree and coefficient. So these are the topics which we have in the exercise 3.1. So if you understand of these topics, automatically you can complete of that exercise, right? I hope you have understand. Wherever you are getting difficulty, just pause there and again you watch the video again. Okay? All the best. Right. Thank you.